17 has team coverage all across central North Carolina, from right here in the Triangle to the Sandhills. Schools are closing and people are hunkering down.
Steve Sprasia at the NCDOT yard in Raleigh as they're getting winter weather ready. So Steve, walk us through what you've been seeing out there.
Well, here at the DOT yard, we're seeing them go into conversion mode right now. If you're on the roads, you won't see a brine truck out there for the very simple reason that they finished all their brining at 2 o'clock this morning. They've now taken those brine trucks into the yard here. They've taken the tanks off the trucks, and they're now converting them to salt and distribution units. Many of these trucks have GPSs in them, which will have a sort of a control in it, which flows the flow. It sort of controls the flow of the salt automatically based on the speed of the truck. That way the truck can stay on its route a lot longer and not waste salt if it's just slowed down or stuck in traffic. Also, because as Paul indicated, we're expecting rain during the early part of the storm, you're wondering, will it wash all that brine away, all that brine they put down? But the DOT engineers tell me we can get up to a ½ inch of rain before the brine is washed off the roads. Now, the salting won't actually happen until they see snow in the air. And because it's been warm, like Paul says, one of the things that's going to happen is that they're going to be able to keep those roads warm, and it's going to melt for a while before we really start to have problems. The problems will take place during the dark hours. As you can see right now, there are some private contractors pulling into the yards. I'm told they have 20 private contractors working out of this yard, as well as 20 NCDOT trucks. So they've got about 40 units on the road to take care of the storm, and we'll take care of you too from the CBS 17 Storms team. Reporting live, I'm Steve Sprasia, CBS 17 News.